What the f? You guys asked for it. We're going to the dyno, people. Two Aprilias, a 2022 RSV4 1100 factory and a Tuono V4 1100 factory. Both have the SC Project GP22 exhaust. They both have Gabro Racing maps, but the RSV4 does have the ideal stubby map. The Tuono has the Race SR map. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a power run on the RSV4 to see what it's putting down. We'll do the same thing with the Tuono, but we're also gonna gather the AFR data so we can share that with our friend Gabro so that he might be able to develop a map for all you crazy bastards who want a really short, really loud exhaust on your Aprilia. Before we do me a favor, guys. Guess in the comments below, how much power do you think each of these bikes is gonna put down? I know that a stock RSV4 puts down about 190 to the wheel, which I think is pretty amazing. So with this really short exhaust, I would guess that it's gonna put down not much more than that, maybe mid 190s. I don't know, maybe the Gabro map will help it a lot. And the Tuono, I'm gonna guess somewhere, I mean, it's 175 at the crank, so I'm gonna guess 100 and high 150s, maybe 160, I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment below and let's go do this. What the heck? That was amazing. 203 horsepower. I was seriously not expecting that with this tiny exhaust. That was unreal. And the most beautiful power curve you've ever seen. What the f? 203 horsepower to the wheel with an SC Project GP22 slip-on. I am shocked. And we can't forget, it does have the Gabro Racing stubby race map installed. Wow, I was not expecting that, guys. That was so exciting. Adrenaline is still pumping. Big thanks to John, by the way, here in Camarillo, California at Jet Tuning. Anyone within the area looking for a dyno, call John at Jet Tuning. He's the man. He did 7 or 8 runs, and I kept seeing the power. The first one I saw was like 197 point something or 198, and he kept doing it, Eventually, the last 3 or 4 were over 200 horsepower, and I was just like, I can't wait to ask John, am I really seeing over 200 horsepower to the wheel? That was amazing. And the power delivery, both power and torque curves, are super linear. Just shocking. I was not expecting that. And the Tuono V4 put down, what was it, 168 horsepower, pretty linear power curve, and it has the Race SR map by Gabro Racing as well. We're gonna send him the AFR data so he can hopefully use that to develop a specific map for this exhaust for all you crazy bastards who insist on using the GP22. That was amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. The season is here. Questions, comments below. That was fun. That was fun. More soon, y'all. See you soon.